Blue Jovi. It looks so good.
Ace Original.
But this baller part, I tried not to do too much. From there, that's the one working. This station. Planning my trip. Where are we going? Number one. Train to Bojomi.
Bojomi? Today? No.
Tomorrow?
No, tomorrow. Yes, one train 6:35 and train evening 6:35.
Train evening from here. And if train from Bojomi back here, you know time? 5
Morning?
Okay. And evening 4:35. Okay. And can I pay for like going and coming here? Can I pay both? Let me show you. Can I pay for this and this?
Ticket same stay, no today.
Yes, tomorrow. For tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Morning.
Yeah, morning and evening.
Tomorrow morning before 20 minutes come here and ticket no today.
Okay. And I can buy this and this tomorrow?
Come back this.
Come back there. I buy there.
Station.
Okay, how much is this ticket?
Oh, 2 lari.
2 lari. Okay, and you know how long train ride is? How many hours?
4 hours.
4 hours. And this no first class economy, no. Okay. Alright, and then train takes off down, right?
This station free platform station.
Okay, I will come tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Blue Jovi. Ooh, people are traveling. I'm going to spend the whole day at Bojomi tomorrow. I need to check the weather, see what the weather is like, know how I'm going to dress, and all of that. Also, I need to know if I'll go tomorrow or Wednesday. I think I want tomorrow, but we'll see. Hey guys, it's almost 4 a.m. in the morning. It's the day of my trip. I only slept for like not even complete 2 hours, which means I will be sleeping in the train, but it's fine. The journey is about 4 hours. So yeah, but I saw this recipe on Instagram that they made it like, they call these fruit vegetables, I think, or I forgot what it's called. I'll find it and put it here. And I've just been craving it, craving making it. So before I leave, I'm not sleeping anymore. I'll just put it on the fire because it looked like a very simple recipe. Probably have that for breakfast before I go. I don't know if I'll pack some with me. I don't really want to carry food. Maybe I will. I'll see. Before I go somewhere, then I'll go and shower. I already picked out my outfit. I'll dress up, do like very little light makeup, and then I want to be out of this house by like 5:50 max. I don't know, I'll check again how long it takes to get to Station Square from here with cab, because I'm not sure buses will be working. But yeah, and then we'll be out. I want to be there by 6. So I'm not going to sleep anymore. I'll just sleep in the train. It's fine. But yeah, that's it. Let's cook. I'm watching this movie, My Christmas or Yours, something like that. It's cute. It's nice. It's funny. I like it. Or Your Christmas and Mine.
All I'm saying.
So I'm using this because in the video they use the pan. So yeah, I'm boiling this to boil like the pasta in it, and yeah. supposed to melt after a while. So I'll just go like gather my things, pack my bag and stuff and get ready. So in here I just have some mint. So they use basil, I mean, but I don't have basil leaves. So I just added some like mint, powdered mint kind of thingy, like mint leaves ish. I don't know how to explain the bowl. And then garlic powder. I don't have actual garlic, just powder. So, and then tomatoes. So I'll leave this for a while. I'll come back and check it. So let's go inside. I put too much oil, I think. Yeah, from the look of things I did. Oh, chim. Let's put some salt as well. So I added some salt, some like my pink salt, this one Himalayan salt, some Maggi cubes, I'll be seasoning cubes, and some pepper, because how can I be eating pasta without pepper? I mean, I just had spice up with it. They didn't add seasoning cubes and pepper, but sorry, I'm a Nigerian. So I'll just let it cook for a little bit more, then I will introduce the pasta. Let me drain. Let's drain that. No, don't to overcook. Yay, I like how it looks. Ew. So I actually should not have added seasoning. Oh my god, seasoning cubes. Because the point of it is you're supposed to enjoy the taste of the tomato. It's basically supposed to have sweet, rich tomato taste. Now I've added seasoning cube and this. I think I've added too much because, well, let me put the pasta first and see. Ew, Jehovah. Thankfully, I didn't add any what's it called, the pasta. So I'm using this pan because in the video they used pan, so I'm like, okay. I should have actually just stuck to the recipe. I was just getting how disabled people's food used to be sometimes. I should have actually just tried it out first and see. Well, let's see how it turns out. Before ending this, can I just really say that I really like how it looks. Now I need to taste it. Moment of truth. So I added some basil. Sorry, not basil, parsley. I added some parsley. Okay, let's do this. It's really nice. That looks fire. I know. It's the main thingy. It looks so good. So oh no, I already added parsley. I have to boil it a bit more. It's still a bit hard. I'll just add a bit of crayfish because crayfish solves everything. Oh, it's giving restaurant pasta actually. Just without this. No, it's not salt. It's the mint. It's actually not the salt. It's not so salty. It's the mint thing that I'm tasting. So I thought it was salt. It's actually okay. I don't actually have to add. Maybe just boil it a bit more so it's softer. I like it. It's even restaurant. Let me try it with this mess. Give me a restaurant. I like the juice. Slapping. Okay. So no, I didn't crayfish anymore. I'll just add this water every time. Just let it boil for a while. Not bad, not bad. I need to go and shower and get ready to leave the house. I kid you not, this crayfish thing was a perfect idea. I just added a little bit and it's doing a great job at balancing everything else. I love this. I just don't have protein. Well, it's fine. I'll fix that later on.
Well, that's very sweet of your mom. But once you're all grown up, what happens then? How will she feel, for instance, next year when you follow James to LA? Sorry, what? To LA. When he starts film school there. He told you this afternoon, right? Yeah, right. Yeah.
Divine telepathy. The donkey started walking home. Are you listening to me? See, I am telling you that when you seek the Lord, the same thing you have been pursuing will gravitate back to you. I'm telling you.
I'm going to show you guys my fit. I try to dress as comfortable as possible. I'm in all black and I have these comfortable shoes on. My phone just, my laptop just died. Oh, it's still on. Okay.
So what I want to tell you is this.
I need to order my cab now and leave the house.
Please.
I packed this bag.
Don't make seeking God.
So this is the bag that sorry. Yeah, this is the bag I packed. Should I pack it? I don't know. But this is the bag I packed. I tried not to do too much. It's supposed to rain today in Bojomi, but I don't really care. I actually want to change my environment. So I took an umbrella and yeah, I think that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. I want to take my laptop, but I don't want to carry load because I'm going to be moving about. So I was just like, nah, let's just leave it. So I left that back, and then I'll just do anything else to do on my phone. But yeah, that's it. Maybe I should like bring you down a bit so you see my shoes. I don't know. Well, yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to order my cab now. I don't know. Weirdly, for some weird reason, taxi price is crazy, which is very annoying because it's just what 5:47 a.m. Let me check the tax come now. 7 Larry. Okay, it's a bit cheaper than it was before. Yeah, it's a bit cheaper. Okay, let me place my order just in case it takes a while to get here. So taxi is on the way. Taxi is 1 minute away. Can you see? I don't know. It's almost here, so I will. It's here. I wanted to wear my jewelry. I tried to figure out if I want to wear like necklace or maybe I'll just check and see. Let's see. Change my mind after the cab's already here. I have like 1 minute wait time, so let's just go downstairs and I'll fix my jewelry in the car. Oh, my earrings are there as well. So see you. My taxi ride to this place was more expensive than this 4-hour trip. But okay. So he said forward and right. At least she said, sorry. That's where I got the ticket from, by the way. Let me just show you. From there. That's the new one working. This is Station Square. Yeah, so she said forward and right, which I believe is here, and I'm going to platform 2. Downstairs, I think. Yeah, should be here. I hope. Okay. Would you mind go forward? I don't stand back. Why does it sound like it's about to move? Stop.
Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I let